Here we are at the rest values progress report. This is where I'm going to play a certain pattern for you at a tempo of 60 beats per minute, and I'm going to leave just one note out, and you have to guess what the rest value of that note that I left out was. All right? So hopefully you've studied all the rests. Hopefully you've learned them all at the tempos that we talked about. And if you have, then this shouldn't be any trouble for you at all. So first, I'm going to play number 1 for you, and then you just quickly write down in your workbook what the rest value of the note that I left out was. Here we go. If you wrote down 16th note rest, then you are correct. Great work. Now let's move on to number 2. That was an 8th note rest on the and of 4. Now let's move on to number 3. That was a quarter note rest that we left out on count 4. Now we're going to move on to number 4, and this one has 2 rest values that you have to guess. Hopefully you can get it. There was a 16th note rest on the of 2 and an 8th note rest on count 3. Now let's move on to number 5, which just has 1 rest. There was a quarter note rest, but I tried to throw you off by adding in a few different note values. And that is the end of the rest values progress report. Hopefully you got 5 out of 5. If you did, great work. If you didn't, you might want to go back and continue studying some of the rests, because it's very, very important that you understand what rests are, how they feel, and how they are incorporated into music.